Okay, well, the hot style. This is how you pimp a car to make money. You have a nice-ass car outside. You tell people they gotta come in and buy $100 worth of merch, and then they can sit in the car. At this rate, I can rent a car, do the same business, and then end up buying myself a McLaren by the end of the weekend. Check it out. Actually, good quality stuff. I think I picked up one of these at Nordstrom's last year. We gave it away though, no? Shit. It's good stuff. Yeah. Good stuff. Good quality. Always love Ferrari, but McLaren's nice. They rose really quick. Love supporting the underdog. And they have good branding now. I love the orange. Very cool.
No se puede pasar.
Se me apagó el celular.
Best woman? No. No? Not the best woman? Oh my god. She's not. She's Italian? No.
You know what next? Yeah, it's mine. Exactement. 600 000. Ah ouais. C'est pas la mienne.
See how they set up the picnic area? I guess you just have to buy things from the venue and you can sit here and chill like Korean style, Japanese style. Super cute.
Korean hot dog?
Is it Korean hot dog?
Yes, it's really good.
It's really good?
Yes.
Like how good? It's like shot at so good?
Yeah.
Like I'm gonna say saranghae after I eat it. Damn, girl. Korean hot dog, guys. You heard it. Right here.
We're gonna have 2 rounds. It's not just 1 round. What's your name? C'est quoi votre nom? Kevin. Et est-ce que vous mangez toujours piquant?
Tabarnak! Esti collé.